Hello beautiful faces, my name is Richa Pandey and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video what I am going to do is I will be showing some product which I got from Miniso, and they are very useful products and it's just starting at rupees 50. Yes, just 50 rupees. And the very first thing which I have, most important thing is sanitizers. It's the Miniso hand sanitizer in the fragrant lemon and it smells like heaven, you guys. I can't even tell you how beautiful it smells. Oh my god. Are you guys like me who just love the smells of sanitizers and petrols? Oh my god. Also paints. Let me have my moment. Oh my goodness, it's so heaven. So we have, I have bought all the useful things. I just don't wanted to waste my money on anything like that. Look who's talking. We have the, this is the Miniso razors and this is very affordable. It is for rupees 190. And how much it contains, I forgot. Yeah. So just for rupees 190 we get 10 packs, and I've already started using it, so it's already open and the color is so pretty. Like, this is pastel pink color, and this comes with this plasticky thing and you can just remove it. It's very sharp, I guess, and then again pack it up. It's very nice. And obviously just for rupees 190 we are getting 10. It's like huge. You can see. I will much recommend you all to use this. We have the okay, I will tell you why I'm laughing, because just wait a second. This is the Papaya Natural Beauty Facial Mask and it retails for rupees 60. Again, very cheap, and it's very easy to use. It's written like peel, then release paper from the back, apply mask to skin, smooth to fit comfortable. Okay, so why was I laughing is because I have this product from a very long time, and this was for my mom, and we went to our village. You already know I have posted a lot of videos. You can watch it if you haven't watched it again. So my mother was supposed to use this when she was in the village, but I didn't let her use because I said I'm going to make this video and then only you can use it. So it's been like 2 months, 2.5 months I guess, and now I'm making this video and now she is no more interested to use this. This is very this is very hydrating and nourishing. Next up we have this mascara which I have already shown you. So the very beautiful part about this is the teeny mini thing which you can apply, as you can see, and then we have this wand and it's very nice. The wand is really good. I really like the wand I don't remember the price of this because I lost the box, but it was around 400 to 350, and it's the Black Queen Collection Double End Waterproof Mascara. Next up we have this cutie right here. This is a pillow. Okay, so this was gifted to me by my brother, and we also had this cactus. We came to know it later on that it was a massager. The backstory of why cactus is because I am someone who just loves cactus. Cactus is in my Instagram bio, cactus is in my WhatsApp status, because I think I'm like a cactus, very hard, very tough, but actually I'm not, and that is how I am, and I am very relatable to cactus. So I told my brother I want something which is like a cactus. So he bought this one, and later on when we checked this, so we were like, just let's do this. I was just doing like this and we got to know this was a massager. This was a head massager. It's really good. And this is very, very soft. Obviously I don't remember the prices, but yeah, this is very soft. Oh my god. I think there might be price. The fabric is 93% cover, polyester, 7% elastin and filling is 100%, and this is very soft, I must say. This is so cute. This is again a very useful product. Is the Miniso Accessories Compact Brow Trimmer with Flippable Blade Cut. And I have used this when I was in my village. I don't know how to do my brows with thread, so this came very handy, and this was for rupees 190. I hope you can see 190. 190 for 2 is like perfectly fine for me. And here we have, this is how it looks, and you have to just do this. We have a very teeny blade over here, so I must see, like you can see, we can just remove it off, whatever we have. And I have some hair, I don't know if you can see or not. I have some hair over here, so it's very convenient to use. But I love this packaging, you know, like we can just close and open it, close it, open it, close it. It's very convenient to use. Just I think it should be a little bit more smaller, like it should be this much. This is unnecessary. The best for the last, as we say. This is my favorite thing. So, oh my god, this is for rupees 190 again, and this is, guess what is it? I'm giving you 1 second. Okay, so this is an eyelash curler. Such a cutie eyelash curler. Oh my god, this is very convenient to use. Let me show you all. And this really works, huh? I was very doubtful that if it will work or not. This comes like, packaging is really good. So this is so cute. It looks like that trimmer, you know, that appellator. Okay, so how we have to use this? It is this thing, okay, this thingy. We have this back. Just pull this thing down, got it? And then it will go like this. Yep, this thing where our eyelash go, and then done. Let me show you all. Okay, I will show this. Okay, can you see my lashes over here? And just press. See, it's pumping. And just see, you can check. So it really works, and this is very cute. I just love this product, and I will give 10 on 10 for this product. I will recommend you all to buy this, and this is just for rupees 190 and very convenient to use. So that's all for today's video. I hope you'll enjoy the video.